Yo, hi guys, welcome back. It's your boy Tyson Brown, and we are at a new location to do a new epic legs, bums and tums workout. This workout is only 6 rounds. Yes, I said it, 6 rounds. 6 rounds, 25 seconds on with only 25 seconds off. Okay, this is gonna be so awesome, so easy. We're gonna be doing active recovery. So in between the squats, which we're gonna be doing, you know we're gonna be doing squats, you're gonna be either jogging on the spot or slight movements until the next exercise. Listen guys, this doesn't get easier, but you do get stronger. Let's get ready for our activity. Get a timer set. Starting in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat them out, guys. Only 25 seconds. Keep going. Keep going. This is round 1. Rest 25 seconds, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
There's no pressure. I don't need to.
25 seconds. Let's go, guys. Almost missed that one. Rest 25 seconds, guys. Let's go, let's go. Follow me. Go, go. Let's go, guys. You got it. You got it. 5 seconds more. Rest. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Sorry, thank you. Let's go, guys. Come on. You got that. Push. Breathe. 5. Move. Rest 25 seconds, guys. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Rest 25 seconds, guys. Let's go. go. Rest, guys. Active recovery or rest. Let's go. Hey. Hello. Workout complete. 6 round completed. Wow. I thought we had another one. I was destined for. I was ready for another one. That was too easy. How did you do? Woo. Stay tuned for more pavement workouts. Guys, I love you guys. That was so easy. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow. Train anytime, anywhere, anyhow. We get duck and fit, guys. AAA workout. Make sure you're ready for the next workout.